Experiment number 14. Name of the experiment is Effective Business Communication Techniques. Subject name Communication Skill. In this experiment, we are going to learn the effective business communication techniques. So, effective business communication is crucial for the success of any company. Poor communication is not only frustrating on a personal level but has the potential of causing huge financial loss. Misinterpreted message, that is lost emails or poor understanding, can cause delays, failed projects or loss of clients. Therefore, it is important for everyone in your company or uh, in your organization to improve their communication skill. So here I mentioned some tips to improve your communication skill at the business level. So, first tip for improve your communication skill is that keep silent. The most common mistake everyone makes in the communication is replying too soon. More often than not, a hasty reply will only hurt the conversation and actually prevent us from learning more. So, while you are attending any meeting at the time of your organization, so first rule to improve your communication is keep silent. Don't reply too soon because you are interrupting the conversation. So first listen to the other person, then pass your comments. Next tip for improving the communication skill is ask question. Asking question has two major benefits in communication. First, they help us find out the information we want, and second, it shows the other person that we are interested in what they have to say, which keeps conversation ongoing. So asking question is helping you to improvement in your communication skill. There is a two benefit here I mentioned, that is it helps to find the more information, and the second benefit of asking question, it shows that you are interested in the project. So conversation will keep going in a right way. So keep asking question, but do not interrupt while conversation or within the communication. Ask your question whenever it is needed. Third is a listen actively. So first we learn that keep silent, then asking questions, keep asking questions, then third point is the listen actively. We already learned that only hearing is not the listening. If you want to understand something, so we have to listen carefully. Okay, so listen actively at the time of the meeting. Understand the other's thinking, then state your opinion about the particular point. First, we have to listen actively, we have to listen careful, we have to understand the actual meaning of the other, we have to understand others' point of view. Then after that we are ready to reply to the within the conversation. Then next point is that give feedback. Fourth point is to improve your business communication is that give feedback. So it is a very important part while you are attending any meeting at the time of your business or in your organization, in your college, that give feedback. First, we have to listen carefully, then we understand the other's opinion, then after that we find out some point related to meeting, then we are ready to give your feedback. So this shows that you are quite interesting in subject and you are actively listening. So giving feedback is the very positive point to improving your communication. It shows that you are quite interesting and you are quite active at the time of, you are a good listener at the time of meeting. Next point is the show empathy. That means you have to show some respect to the other person's opinion. Work environment can be very stressful or overlapping, which is exactly why we need to show empathy to other one. So empathic communication builds trust among the co-workers. So while encouraging people to keep doing the best even when that doesn't seem to be good enough. So at the time of your business communication, in your meetings, at the time of college meetings, show empathy to the other person's opinion. It builds the trust among your co-workers. Then next point is that stay enthusiastic. Keep positive attitude in always important for effective business communication. Keeping a positive attitude is always important for effective business communication. So stay enthusiastic while you are attending any meeting at your organization, at your company, or at a college level. So keep positive attitude towards to the meeting. Our clients require expressing high level of enthusiasm. Then next point for improving your business communication is watch your body language. This is the very important point when you are attending the meeting. At the time of meeting, body language is very important. That is, no one want to talk to someone who is constantly rolling their eyes, resting their chin in their fist, or constantly checking their smartphones. So your body language is very important while you are attending any meeting. It shows your interest in the particular subject. So keep thinking about your body language, show positive body language, show enthusiastic body language, then don't show arrogance or disinterest in the from your body language. Okay, be active at the time of meeting, listen careful others' opinion. Then next point is build connections. Next point to improve your business communication as well as to improve your business, build connection is the very important point. A good communicator knows their audience and shapes their message accordingly. So, good communicator knows their audience and shapes their message accordingly. So, it is good for the build connections. Know your audience first, what type of your audience is, and then build your message according to your audience. So, audience will attach to you, audience feel that is you are the responsible person, you know what actually audience want, and after that automatically you between you and the audience and the other co-workers it will be build a good and the healthy connection. So using your good communication skill, we have to build a connection for your business. Use the proper tools for an effective business communication. So, while you are doing your business communication, business meetings, so use proper tools for the effective communication. That is, for nowadays we are using the online platform for the communication. So use a proper tool for communication. If you are interested in face-to-face meeting, so think about the environment of meeting and then arrange your meeting. Nowadays we are using the different online platform for the meetings. So use the proper tools for effective business communication. Then next point is the power is in your hand. So improving the quality of your communication ultimately requires change at a personal level. So effective business communication is the consequence of shared personal efforts to all the parties involved. So power is in your hand. That means you are the responsible for your work. You are the responsible for your work. So according to that, behave at your organization, at your college, at your home. So you are the responsible for your work. So according to that, shape your think, behave with the people. Then after that, read. If you have a manual, read the experiment from the manual. Then solve the Google form question in the continuous assessment. Thank you.